What? It's called DOK levels, and it means that the higher up you go, for like a level 1 word is not supposed to be as hard as like a level 2, 3, or 4 word. And we're supposed to be putting those words more into what we do every day so that y'all are used to seeing them for when we get to these standardized tests and whatnot. Princess, can you help me out on number 1? Yeah. What do I need to do first on number 1? Subtract 7. Okay. So I have z minus 2z. Montez, can you help me out? What's negative 11 minus 7? Montez? Negative 18. Roberto, what's 1 minus 2? What kind of 1? Catherine? Negative. Very good. Catherine, what do I do from here, dear? Divide by what? Perfect. Very good. All right, Cameron Brown, what's my answer? Positive. Yep, 2 negatives, negative, positive. All right, William, what'd you get on number 2?
U12.
U to the 12. Perfect. Perfect. You add. Perfect. All right. Let's see. Cameron Rutledge, what is the answer Q to what power for number 3?
11.
Cameron Rutledge?
It is 11.
It is 11. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Can someone read me number 4, please? Go ahead, Cameron Brown.
The table above shows the number of pens, pencils, and erasers sold by Walmart Tomahawk store and Target on October 18, 2016. If 90 students purchased at least one item from Target, but no more than 3 items, what is the maximum number of students who can purchase it at?
Okay, so what store am I worried about here?
Target.
Target. Very good. So let's see. I'm worried about those 3. So what do I do with those 3 numbers?
Add them together.
You add them together. So let's see. 78 plus 26 plus 34. But look at the question, though. The question's only worried about the maximum number. So the maximum number was 3. It's not worried about the other stuff. So then what am I going to do to 3 and 138? Divide. So it'll be 46, which is D. Yep. Are y'all okay? All right, all right. So let's put our bell ringers away. You had, if you were absent yesterday, you had homework. So make sure that you come to me tomorrow. What time tomorrow should you come see me? Tomorrow morning, right? During 0 period? So let's hash these out. We have a test, our first test of the semester, Friday. Makeup looks beautiful. Alright, so look guys, we are hoping and we are pushing through and we are working and we're hoping that we get a really good grade. Because what happens if we get a really good grade and we've been to school like we are supposed to? You don't have to take the final. You're exempt. So we are going to push through, right? And so we can be exempt so that we can sleep in on that last day, that last week, and we don't have to worry about coming to school and worry about studying for a final. One. No. No, it's different. That's what we did yesterday, yes ma'am. And you'll need to come see me tomorrow morning so that you can use the textbook and do your homework, okay? Yes. But you gotta come in the morning, okay? It's very easy. You'll catch on very fast. Alright, here we go. Number 1. Oh my goodness. How many problems do we have to do today?
3.
3?
2. And then we're done, okay?
What about the homework?
Are you serious?
I'll cut the homework down. We won't make it that long. Yeah, we won't make the homework so much. Alright, here we go. Number 1. You ready?
Yes.
They're very lengthy, but they're very easy. Okay? Everybody ready?
Yes.
What do I do first? This is what you missed yesterday.
but I can't do anything in there.
Multiply.
Multiply, I distribute, right?
Should be 2.
Alright, what's 2 times 5?
Yeah.
10. There you go, Diaz. And then A times A?
11. 4.
It's 1.
What?
A times A.
Oh, 1.
A squared. There you go. Somebody let Cameron in.
12.
1 plus 1 is 2. Alright, what is 2A times negative 2?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Hey.
A. Don't forget your A. Hurry, Cameron. We're starting on number 1. Did y'all put one on Cameron's desk for him?
Hold on.
I already got one.
Okay. Plus. Now what do I do?
This is the same.
The same thing, right? What's 3 times 2?
6.
And A times A?
8.
A squared. There you go. Alright, what's 3A times 6?
18.
18.
A.
A. Don't forget your A. Well, what do I do with this sucker right here?
8.
Just bring it down. There you go. Well, it wasn't so bad, right? Good.
It's the same thing we did yesterday.
It's very similar. Very similar. Alright, let's do this one. What's A times 4A?
4A squared.
Perfect. Perfect. Somebody let Coach in. Alright, what's A times 1? 1A. Hey, Coach.
That's all we had on the ball.
It's okay.
All we had to do was Christmas.
Oh, from Christmas.
16.
Oh, 2 times
12.
12.
Squared.
A squared. Perfect. Alright, what's 2A times negative 4?
Negative A. A.
A. Oh, wait a minute. What do I do with this sucker right here?
Just put it down.
Just pull him down. There you go. What's wrong, Ethan? You okay? Okay. Alright, now what? Take your handy dandy highlighter if you got one. You got a highlighter or a pencil?
We're gonna add it all to.
This is what we've been doing for 3 months. 3 months. Combine like terms. Which ones are like?
A.
A
Squared.
A squared.
So
There's an A squared. And there's an A squared. And
4.
there's an A squared. Yep.
The 2.
The 12. Yep. 12.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this side right here. Draw your line through your equal sign. So we can keep it separated. Keep everything separated. What's 10 plus 6?
16.
16.
A squared.
A squared. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. You only mess with them when you're multiplying. All right. On this side, what's 4 plus 12? 16.
A squared.
A squared. Oh my goodness. I'm done with those. Mark them out. Let me get a different color. All right. What else do you see that's like?
The A.
The A's. Very good. Negative 4. 18. What else do you see on this side?
Negative 8 and 1.
Negative 8 and 1. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's see. So what's negative 4 plus 18?
13.
No, I put positive.
14.
Which one?
A.
It's positive.
Is
on the-
positive. Very good.
Wait, what was it?
It's positive 14. All right. What about this side? What's positive 1 minus 8?
Negative 7.
Perfect. So I'm done with those.
And just bring the A down.
Look at you. You just bring that sucker down right there. Put your equal sign in the middle.
Then bring the 50 down.
Yep. Plus 50. Perfect.
Now we're just same thing again.
But what's wrong this time?
There's no like terms.
They are like terms, but they're on different sides, right? You see these two?
Yeah.
So now you have to do the opposite.
Subtract.
Oh,
Subtract.
Oh,
Well, what's 16 minus 16?
Cancel.
They cancel out. What's 16 minus 16? They cancel out.
So now you
So
have
have-
14A.
Uh-huh.
And then 7 counts out again.
7A plus 2.
Negative 7a, right? You say that? Okay. Now what can I move?
You move the 7 and it counts, and that makes it 7 and they both cancel out.
Makes it positive 7. There you go. Those cancel. Oh, but they don't cancel on this side, though.
Yeah, it'd be 7A
21.
plus 8.
21. Yep.
Wait, are you adding?
Yep. 14 plus 7. It's 21. And then just bring my 50 down, right?
And then it'd be 50.
So
No,
you
it'd be
subtract.
minus.
No, you subtract.
Uh-huh.
8.
Minus 8. Yep. She said minus 8. That's right. They cancel out here, right?
42.
I gotta bring my 21 down first.
21.
Yeah.
8.
No, you like divide.
And I divide by what?
21.
Perfect.
It will be 2.
A equals 2.
7.
Perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right, we got one more problem. You ready? One whole more problem. That's it. And then you'll have 2 problems for homework, and that'll be it, okay?
What is that word?
It's a D. It just got cut off by the hole punch. All right, y'all ready? Y'all need a minute?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. All right, here we go. What is, or let's draw our line first. Where's our equal sign? Right here. It'll make us keep everything separated. All right, what's D times D?
1D.
1D squared. Not 2D, 1D squared.
And it will be D3.
Plus or minus?
3D.
3D, very good. Plus. You just put the number in front. All right, be careful this time. What's negative D times D?
-1 D2.
Perfect. Perfect. Because there's ones. -1 times 1 is -1.
Oh, we added it?
And then you add the little numbers up here. You add the exponents.
Oh.
All right, what's -1D times -4? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive 4D. Perfect. Put your equal sign in the middle. Can I do anything to these two?
No.
No.
Just
Bring them down.
Yep. All right. You see any like terms?
Yes.
What?
1D and 2D.
Uh-huh. The squares. Okay, they're on the same side, right?
It'd be D
1 minus 1? What's 1 minus 1?
D. Or do we just subtract the whole thing?
Uh-huh.
They cancel.
They cancel. You're not multiplying. You subtract those.
Because it was on the same thing.
Uh-huh. It's on the same side. 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have 3D.
They always cancel the.
If they're on the same side and they have different signs, yes. All right, look at these two. See, Catherine, right here, how they're on the same side? And you just do 3 plus 4. What's 3 plus 4?
8. Oh,
7.
7. There you go.
Times 3, 21.
Mm-hmm. All right, but Catherine, look, you see how these two are on different sides of this equal sign? That's when you got to do the opposite. So I'm going to subtract, because that's the opposite of plus. See how this is a positive 9?
Why can't we do 7?
You could, but there's nothing over here. I want to get rid of both this one. All right, what's 7 minus 9?
Negative 2.
2D. Perfect. And see, these two cancel out. What kind of 16 is this?
Negative.
Negative.
it'd be positive 8.
Very good. Divide. And D equals positive 8. Very good. Very good. All right. Homework number 2. Grab yourself a piece of paper. If I gave you back your homework, you can just do it on the back of that. Save some paper, right?
Oh.
You don't have to, but you can. And then we might be able to go ahead and get y'all caught up. And then y'all come forward. Just go ahead and get you your homework.
You got this? You got this?
No, they're nice.
You got this? You got this?
All right, let me shorten this up a little bit. I think we're just going to do 4. We're just going to do 31 and 32. Just 2 problems. Actually, I lied. I need to do one more from yesterday. There, that's it. Just those 3. And if you weren't here yesterday, when you finish writing this down, come on up here and I'll get you your homework that you missed yesterday.